Ndokuona bhabhatidzi wangu hoyo afamba wapinda mumvura. Wakutoti ndakakumirira chiuya. Ndakamutarisa. Ndoda kuti ndikubhabhatidze huya nenda mbele.
Amen. So he baptized me, and when he finished, I told him, if I go to ward, if today I sleep to ward, because I know I'm not going to sleep.
Pakandi bhabhatidza apedza, ndakamuti nhasi ndikaenda kuward kuchipatara.
And I told him, Mama Wanda, you are the reason for this. She's here. Mama Wanda, say hi. Where are you? Yes, she's here. I told her, and Mama Kuria, you people, you are killing me now.
Wakati kuna mai Wanda, na mai Kuria. Even when you muri kundiuraya, ndo vakanga inavo. Vati muri kundiuraya mandipinza muvura ndina asima. Mukutondiuraya ini.
Yes, they brought me clothes and told me go home. So I went home.
Ndo vauya wakati achinja kumba.
When I went home, I changed my clothes and I slept.
I
woke up at 3 a.m. It was not normal. Because I'm used to inhalers and medicines. And now from around 4 in the evening, when I was baptized, this is now 3 a.m. I've not taken any inhaler or medicine. So I woke up, I looked at the inhaler, and I told the inhaler it's like we are partying now. So I continued to sleep at peace. It came in the morning at around 10. I passed through the chemistry, the pharmacy, where I normally buy tablets. And that man told me, you have not come for your medicine. And I told him, you are another liar, you are a killer, you want to give me medicine again.
I don't think it's a mushonga kanditi. Iwa usikutora mushonga kwa ndo badamti iwe uri muurai. Wada tundi zosele kumushonga. Indane utano.
Because I was baptized yesterday in a river full of hippopotamus and I'm well.
Nobody never baptized you are a Sarangwena.
I am healed, doctor. I am healed. This is not me. I am healed, doctor. I'm not coming for medicines again. I'm not coming for inhaler again. What I know, I am healed. So I stayed home for 1 week without telling them.
Then on
Sabbath I went slowly and sat somewhere in the corner. I didn't want to speak to them. Because number one, I thought maybe it's just a lie. So I had put on clothes, warm clothes, and I started feeling so hot inside me. So I had to remove the jackets, and I started becoming light.
Ndakaenda ndichifungidzirwa kuti shango ndibate ndakatofukozo nodziya chaizvo ndati gare ndikanzwa aikazotototsva ndokubva ndabvisa pachiria tototsva aikazuka mhepo kari kupinda.
Mama Wanda asked me what is happening to you. I told her, Mama Wanda, I am healed, but I don't want you to know. I just want to give myself 1 week or 1 month. And Mama Wanda, 1 month, you are healed. Stop saying 1 month, you are healed. Then I told Mama Wanda, you mean it, I am healed.
Zikanzi ndandisingati mese kuti mutomboziva kuti ndakapora. Asi ndandida kuti ngondipe vhiki rimwe chete ndimbonyatsokuona zikanzi aikazi wogo mwedzi mumwe chete zikanzi aikazi wogoda mwedzi mumwe chete iwo wakatopora kare ndokunonzi kupora uku zikanzi achokwati ndakapora.
So after 1 month I came back to church and I said that 1 month I have not taken any medicine. Oh God of Paul Marshall African Apostolic Church.
Andina kutora mushonga kana chimwe chino ndobva ndonoti ndobva tadzokera ndikati mwari wa Paulo mwana ndoponeswa uriko.
Then I told my family members, do you know what? I was a pastor, I was sick.
Ndobva ndauza muri yangu kukanga ndiri pastor munamati mukuru asi ndairwara.
But now I'm a member and I am healed. What will I choose? Becoming a pastor, be sick, or becoming a member and be healed?